This brain Jell-O mold recipe makes a perfect gross Halloween party food that will scare and delight your guests. Here's what you need to make your own. 2 6-ounce packages of Jell-O, boiling water, cold water, and your mold. I use raspberry because it has a pinkish red hue and it's a flavor everyone in my home likes. Spray the brain mold with cooking spray. Mix the Jell-O and boiling water. Stir until all of the crystals are completely dissolved. Now add your cold water. Pour the Jell-O mixture into the brain mold, making sure not to fill the mold completely. You should have about an inch between the top of the Jell-O and the top of the mold. Place the mold in a dish with sides such as an 8x8 dish or pie pan to stabilize it and place it in the refrigerator. Refrigerate the mold for at least 8 hours. To serve your Jell-O brain, run a knife along the edge of the mold to loosen and invert the mold onto your serving plate. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.